Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The previous video we made a ground floor plan and the first floor plan in AutoCAD, and now in this video we will import those files in SketchUp and make its 3D model. So first of all, in SketchUp we have to choose the template to work on. As you know, in last video we made the AutoCAD files in meters. So we have to choose meters as a simple template and then start using SketchUp. We will import our AutoCAD file in this SketchUp. To import, go in File, Import. Now it will pop up and then import your AutoCAD file. Select Import. It will take a while to import the AutoCAD file. So here you can see the whole AutoCAD file has been imported in SketchUp. Now delete all these door and frame as we don't need here. To delete, press E. Unlike in AutoCAD, you do not have to press enter after the command. Just press the command, select what you have to delete and click on it. To move in SketchUp, there are three ways. If you click the cursor, then you will rotate at the same place. If you want to move in horizontal or vertical direction, press Shift and then the cursor. This way you can move up and down, right and left. If you have to move in axis direction, press Ctrl and then cursor. So you will have the orbital movement. Now we'll delete all the doors and frames. Now we have deleted all the doors as they were unnecessary. Now we have to make the surfaces for the walls. To make the surface, press L. After pressing L, the line command will get activated. With the help of this, you can make lines like this way. So how they will help in making the surface? In SketchUp, all the closed surfaces, all the closed blocks will make a surface like this. See, as you can see, these two closed surfaces have generated a surface. This way, I will generate all the surfaces along the walls. To delete the unnecessary surface, select the surface and press delete. By pressing Ctrl Z, you can bypass your command. So this way we have generated all the surfaces for the walls. Now to extrude the walls from the surfaces, press P. By pressing P, push-pull command will get activated. In the push-pull, there are two types of push-pull. If you just press the P, it will generate hollow blocks. But if you press P and then Control, so as you can see the logo has changed and now it will generate solid blocks. To come out of any command, press spacebar and you will come out of any command. So now I will generate the walls. Remember, as our whole model is in meters, so our wall length is 3 meters. Put the value 3, enter. Now for similar extrude, take the push pull command in this way and just select the previous interface. You can get the reference and click. Like this way, by taking the reference, you can stand all the walls. Remember, right now you don't have to extrude the wall for window. I will teach you that later. Delete the unnecessary lines. Now for this wall. Now see, I can do the same taking the reference. Don't get confused by these two colors as these are the default colors by the SketchUp. Delete the unnecessary lines. Now, as you remember in the last video, this part was our balcony. So I will just separate it out. In push pull command, if you double click on the surface, it will push it as a last command. So as in last command, I pushed it for the 3 meters. So by double clicking it, it will automatically take the push pull for 3 meters. So all my 3 meter walls are ready. Now for balcony, I will take as 1.22 meters. 1.22 meters and our balcony is ready. Same way for all the windows. Now I will delete this line so that now we won't have any confusion for it. If I would have deleted it earlier, then it may create confusions to extrude the wall of 3 meters. So now it's not needed. Now again I will use push pull command and I will extrude this window for 1.22 meters. Put the value 1.22, enter. Now I will just double click. Okay, this may happen, so I will use the reference. Don't extrude 1.22 wall for ventilators, as they will come above the sill level. So all my window walls are ready. Okay, this one is left. Now I will make sill level. To make sill level, I will use rectangle command R. See, this logo is for rectangle command. I will select the first point, first diagonal point, and second diagonal point, like this way. I will delete this unnecessary surface, select it, delete. Same way for the back side, delete. Again I will show you the rectangle command R, first diagonal point, second diagonal point, press it. Select the unnecessary surface, delete it. Now I will set the sill level. Now you can press Ctrl to make solid surfaces. I will set the lintel level 2.14 meters. So to set the 2.14 meter, I will subtract it from 3 and I will get 0.86. So I have to extrude 0.86 from the top of the wall. So select 0.86, enter. Zero point 0.86, enter. Now same way I will just select the reference and make all the windows. Now for this part, 0.86. So this way all the windows are ready. Delete the unnecessary lines. Now we will make doors and ventilators. As I have kept lintel level 0.86 from the top, so I will use the rectangle command R, first point, second point, and then I will push pull it by using P control to 0.86 from the top, this way. Same way I will do it for all the doors. Irrespective to interior, exterior, or for the toilet, lintel level will remain the same. For all the doors. I forget a window here. No problem. As you can see, doing push pull by using the reference point make your work very easy. These are few tips and tricks which you will get by experience. Do not forget to really erase the unnecessary lines. These unnecessary lines create problems when you use the materials. So I will continue to make the door. Use rectangle command. Make a surface above. Use push and pull. Press Ctrl and give lintel 0.86 from top. Now for ventilators, we will push pull the bottom surface till the lintel level of window, and then we will make a surface on top by using rectangle command R and R. We will make surface R on the top by using rectangle command R. We will push pull the above surface by P control. .26. So this way our ventilator is ready. It is the unnecessary lines. This way we will make all the ventilators. Push pull the below surface to the lintel level. Make the surface on the top by using R, and then just a second, and then push pull the above surface 0.26. It is the unnecessary lines. Now we have prepared all the windows, doors and ventilators. Now we will make the staircase. To make the staircase, make the first rectangle by using R command, first diagonal point, second diagonal point. It is the unnecessary surface. And now I will teach you how to copy and move. To move, select the surface. When you click the first time, the surface is selected, but all the exterior lines are not selected. So double click on the surface and whole surface plus the lines will get selected. To move it, use M command, select the point, and now you can move it. So as you can see, all the lines and surfaces attached to the selected one will also move. And to copy, press Ctrl M, Ctrl. Let me go out of this command. Now I will press M and then Ctrl. So now I can copy this surface without creating any disturb to the source. So now how I will do? Carefully I will copy it just above it. This way. And I will push pull it by using P and then Control for 0.23. 0.23. And now I will delete the original source as it is not needed now. Now I will move it upwards to make the work more clear to you. Carefully select the axis. Now I will make this object as one group. To make group, select the whole object, right click on it and then make group. This way you can make the group. So now I will copy this and Control, select this bottom point and place it on this point. For multiple copy, apply X, and as we have 9 stairs in one flight, X 9, enter. Now as you can see, it is automatically copied it 9 times. Now so to make the landing, now to work in any group, double click on that group this way. So now you can work in this group. Use P command Control, push pull it to the till the reference of the wall. Now again push pull this side till the reference of this wall. Zero 0.23. I forgot to increase one step for the landing. Okay. Click outside to come out of the group. Now I will select this flight. Press Ctrl while selecting for multiple selections. Now I will copy this and Ctrl. Take it outside. So now I will teach you the scale command. Using the scale command, I can adjust the dimension of any object. So for example, I have taken this flight. I will select this whole flight and press S to activate the scale command. Now the scale command is activated. So this way I can adjust any dimension with respect to diagonal, with respect to length, with respect to height. This way I can adjust it. But here I will use the scale command to rotate its direction. This is a one type of trick what I generally use. This way. S. Now what I will do, I will take the green scale, and from the green scale like this I will just change the direction of the flight. Now I'll again select the whole flight and place it. Move M, select the point. This way our staircase is ready. I will copy to the two steps for my veranda. M, control to copy, select a point and move it. I will place it afterwards. Now I will make one group of staircase. Select the whole staircase, right click on it and make group. This way I can use the same staircase for both the floors. First of all, I will place it down, move, select the point and place it according to my plan. Now I will copy this, M, control, take up the base point, M, control, and I will place it here. This way both the staircases are ready. Now I will make the group of whole floor. I will select this whole floor and make one group. Right click on it, make group. Same way for the upper floor. Select whole floor, right click on it make group. Now we will make the slabs R rectangle. Click on the first diagonal point and second diagonal point. Double click on the rectangle, copy it for the first floor. Push pull it for around I will say 0.02. 0.02. Okay. Sorry, I will keep the slab thickness as 0.07. 0.07. I will double click here, Control Z. Now I will make again one group, including the floor and the slab. Make group. Now we have to trim few things out to make the perfect slab. Select this extra area. Make the rectangle of the dimension of extra area. Use command push. Select the area P. What I have actually done, I have selected the thickness equal to that extra area, so it automatically goes 0 and it gets erased. Same way I will do it here. This much part is extra. I will select it P. Select the thickness to below. Let's go. Now for this extra part, now I will place these stairs. First of all, I will rotate it. To rotate, here is the option to rotate. So after the activating the rotate command, first you have to set the midpoint and set the direction with respect to which you have to rotate. After setting the direction, you can rotate it by yourself. Now I will move it. I will select the point. And I will place it here. I will delete these lines as it's unnecessary now. Push pull it according to the length needed. Now I will make it according to look in an aesthetic way. Now it's completed. Actually, there is some mistake. Delete. Okay. And I move it here. And I have to place this one and control. Only this much I have to place it here. Okay. I also have to delete the extra part for the staircase. So this way our both the floors are ready. Now I will make one copy of it and control. I won't disturb the original one, and I will select the first floor M and move it on the make group. Now I will move this M and place it over here. R to make the upper slab. P 0.07 as leg thickness. this way. Now I will teach you the fillet command. For that, press F, select the area, and this way you can fillet it. Now I will make the parapet wall of thickness 0.23. 0.23. Press the space to come out of any command. Select the area, press P to push pull, and I will set it as 1.2 meters. This way our terrace is ready. Now I will make the staircase cabin. R from here I will know the dimension of it. M control. So this way I can know the dimension of it to make it accurate, and then I will push pull it. Control. P control 3 meters. This way I have created the cabin for the staircase. I will continue this till here. Only just P to make it monolithic. Now I will teach you my trick to make the doors. This way I will make the door for this. Now I will again make the lines on it, and just push it little back this way. Now I will make this whole as one group. So our basic modeling of whole bungalow is ready. As you can see, now I will teach you how to make the windows. So make the rectangle on the opening of the window this way. Now I will use the fillet command. F, keep 0.05 this way. Now select the interior line, what I have selected just right now. Right click on it and divide it. So as you move the cursor right or left, it automatically divides into various points in equal distance. So I will divide it in 3 segments. Now activate the line command L, and as you can see, these green points indicate the division what I've just made, and make the straight lines with reference to that green points. Again use the fillet command. Now you will just double click it. It will automatically activate the previous fillet command this way. Now now press B. By using this bucket bucket command is activated. As you get a default tray here, using this default tray, you can input many materials and colors default in the SketchUp. So right now I just need this gray color and I will just put it here like this way. And again I will go to the default tray in materials. In materials, I will go for the glasses and mirrors, and I will use this translucent gray glass for my window frames. This way our window is ready. Now make one separate group of it and using the copy command and rotate command, I will place it everywhere. As you can see, in a particular group you can also rotate with reference to the points which the SketchUp automatically generate in any direction. So I will rotate it and place it. Control, move and control to copy. And this way I will again rotate it with reference to the points which are generated by move command. As you can see this red dot, and with help of that I can rotate it. Look, SketchUp and AutoCAD are both all about the practice. As much you practice and that much you will get the perfection over it. Now I will again rotate it as I have rotated it earlier. You can also use rotate command to rotate, but this way what the group makes your work easier. As you make it a group, any object, you can move it and rotate it easily. So all our windows are ready. Now we will make the doors. For that, make the rectangle this way. Make the fillet. You can make any design of the doors. So I'm just making a normal simple design. This way. By using C, you activate the circle command, and I will make the knock of it. So just to make it look like a door. And in materials now I will go for colors and just I will make it look like a door. This way I'm actually not teaching you how to make I'm just teaching you how to make the model of it. In the upcoming videos I will give you a proper lecture on the materials, lights and the textures. So just right now to make it a different, I've made this door. Select the whole door and make a group. Move it M, control, copy and place it everywhere where all the doors are exposed. Make group. This is one advice. Whenever you make a group in a object, in a complex object, always once copy it somewhere else so that not every time you need to copy it, or if by mistake the unnecessary objects have came in the group, so you can just explode the group and delete it, because in any type of 3D, as much your work increases, as it becomes more complex, your workload increases, it becomes somewhat more what I would say a type of complex. Scale it according to your need. Now as you can see that the two objects are getting overlapped, so press K, and this way it helps you to scale the object or look the things over the blocks. Now M, control, select the base point and I will place it here. Press again K to come out of it. And this way I have completed the whole modeling of a bungalow. Now this way I can make the 3D out of the 2D from the AutoCAD. I hope you like my video. If you have any doubt, you can comment over it. And best of luck. Practice, as the practice makes you perfect. Thank you.